Today we're looking at the Vermeer BC1000XL. This is a really sizable chipper shredder.
It's a 12-inch.
It's 12 inches. And definitely make sure you wear ear protection with this thing. It is insanely loud. And in fact, a lot of earmuffs that are not rated for high decibel might not even be good enough. So wear really good earmuffs with these. We're gonna clean up all these limbs and stuff and probably fit pieces of the trunks of this tree in this thing. It's got a quite large drum to feed everything in, where it takes it in to do its magic. So in case you've never used one of these, give you a quick overview. To open the back gate, you're going to slide that pin over, and then this falls down and lets you get into the mulcher area. First things first, make sure you point your chute where you want it to go. And it's helpful if you can put it on what I'm going to call the driver's side. And that way all your controls over here are away from where it's blowing out, because they blow out really fast. So to start it up, you just crank it there. This button is your idle time, and it's got settings for smaller stuff, medium, and big logs. When you start and stop the machine to make the wheel run, you're gonna have to make sure that this pulls back. It has like a detent feel, and then you push the green button in, and that will make this wheel start spinning this way and feeding in. Now to engage the actual chipper, you're gonna come over here in front of your key panel, and then you're gonna drop this down. And you got this side is for faster, this side is slower. So that's pretty much the basics of it. On the top, you can adjust the chute down as well. Now we'll show you this thing in action and give you an idea of what it can do. You have to hold the key for a second. This unit worked out really good for us, and shout out to Thompson Rents for getting it out to us quickly as usual. I hope you found this video helpful to see exactly what this machine can do. It chews up some really big stuff. Probably would have made, I don't know, 15 trips with a dump trailer if we hadn't have used this. So be sure to get you one. It's well worth the money to rent it for a day or a week, whatever it is, whether you're clearing land or doing tree removal work. Either way, it's a great fit. So subscribe, hit that like button, and we'll see you in the next one.